Hello everyone, this is your girl Mrs. Rita F. Brewer. I hope everyone is doing well. God has given me my strength. I'm back. Glory be to God Almighty. I'm gaining my strength back. I'm already gained, okay? Today's date is the 6th of October. 6th of October, Friday. So I'm gonna use my living in spray. Once again, the 6th of October. Okay? So let me start using my spray and my oil. Okay, this is my spray and this is my oil. So I'm gonna start using my hair product. Works, guys. I'm putting it inside my scalp, okay, in my scalp, and then you give it a massage. When the video ends, I will come back. I'll do another video, okay? So I'm massaging it inside my scalp. Massage in your scalp. Don't forget your ends. Make sure you go under your scalp. So I'll be doing it for 1 month. So I'll be stopping on the 6th of November. Now let's go to the oil. So now it's my oil, the same thing in the line. So that's all, guys. I'll be coming back to sell my product, my hair product back. This is your girl Mrs. Rita F. Brewer. So I'm massaging it in my scalp with my fingertip. After that, this grease that I'll be doing very soon, okay? I just use a little bit because it's very strong. And then I put it under my edges before I put the oil. I brought it from Ghana. I don't need to use too much. And then I apply my oil. So I'll be selling my hair products. It comes with massage brush and the spray bottle like that. So watch out. This is my magic hair growth. The oil and the coffee leave-in in spray. You don't need to wash it. I'm coming back again to sell my hair product, guys. I'm coming back to sell my hair products. Okay, this hair product, it grows your hair. I've got a lot of testimony. I'm grieving on my sister, but I can't grieve forever. She will always be in my heart. Life still goes on. See, I've got a lot of encouragement. Rita is okay. Amma is okay. God knows the best. All of you, thank you. And so, Rita, you have to get back. Amma, get back with the hair product. We need hair product. We need it. I'm mourning my sister, but people are putting in order. So I'm going to start next week. I will be coming live on Facebook and on TikTok. Live to sell my magic oil and my coffee leave-in spray. This is your girl, Mrs. Rita F. Brewer. I'm coming back. By the grace of God. So after putting them in my hair, my leave-in spray, and my oil, and my little grease, this is how my hair is looking. Beautiful and shiny. Very thick.